A cracked windshield in your RV is never a welcome sight. At RV Glass Solutions, we make it our mission to minimize your downtime and get you safely back on the road as soon as possible. With a few important details, we can ID and ship your glass while connecting you with one of our more than 3,000 expert RV glass installation centers. Here's what you can expect. Once you have captured the bug or the numbers on your windshield, give our team of RV glass experts a call and they can take it from there. Our sister company, Coach Glass, is the OE supplier to many RV brands, and chances are they made your glass to begin with. Taking a photo of your windshield damage is always helpful too. We'll want to know the make, model, and the year of your coach to get things rolling. Sometimes windshield measurements might be required to identify the correct replacement. If you prefer, these steps can also be accomplished using our online quote request form at www.rvglassexperts.com. Simply complete the form, upload any photos, and our team will respond to you within 1 business day. They'll have a quote and options on service locations. If you choose to claim your windshield damage on your insurance policy, our RV Glass experts are seasoned in navigating the process. They can initiate a call with you and your insurance company to confirm your deductible and even handle the insurance paperwork for you. Next, we work with you to choose the most convenient location for your replacement to take place, and then we arrange to ship your glass from the closest of our 4 regional warehouses. We stock windshields for all RV brands and models, including gaskets, molding, and adhesive, so we can quickly ship your glass and any necessary materials to the selected shop. All of our shops are pre-qualified and experienced in RV installations, and we include a nationwide guarantee for your added peace of mind. At your scheduled appointment, the technician will talk with you about your coach, anticipated scope of work, and the timeline for completion. They'll pull your coach into the service bay, or if mobile, they'll set up for replacement at your site. After prepping your coach, your damaged windshield will be carefully removed and your new one will be installed. This can take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. We'll ask that you not drive your coach until the adhesive thoroughly cures. Usually 4 hours for a gasket set, 12 hours for a glue-in, and 48 hours on a flush mount. For jobs performed in-shop, once the adhesive has cured, we'll perform a leak test to ensure everything is properly sealed and your new windshield is air and watertight. If your replacement is being performed at one of our extended service locations in Oregon, Arizona, Indiana, or Florida, you are welcome to enjoy our pet-friendly lounge with Wi-Fi in addition to overnight parking with 50-amp electrical hookups. And if you happen to be at our Oregon location, we would love to take a pet portrait of your fur baby to add it to our popular Paws of Fame attraction. And did you know that we have a solution for foggy side windows too? Our lifetime laminated side windows are guaranteed never to fog for as long as you own your coach. For more information and to view the locations that offer these services, visit our website or give us a call. At RV Glass Solutions, it is our goal to make your RV windshield replacement quick, efficient, and trouble-free, so you can get back to your adventures on the road. We love making happy campers.